Hey everyone, it's great to be back with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make YouTube videos using the power of ChatGPT. If you're looking to take your videos to the next level, stay tuned because we've got some great tips and tricks for you. Tip 1. Use ChatGPT for content ideas. One of the biggest challenges of making YouTube videos is coming up with new and engaging content ideas. That's where ChatGPT comes in. This powerful tool can generate ideas for you based on keywords, topics, and even your own previous videos. With ChatGPT, you'll never run out of fresh ideas again. Tip 2. Improve your script writing with ChatGPT. Another area where ChatGPT can be incredibly helpful is in script writing. Whether you're struggling to come up with a compelling opening or need help with the structure of your video, ChatGPT can provide suggestions and even generate entire paragraphs of text for you. This can save you a ton of time and help you produce higher quality content. Tip 3. Optimize your video for SEO with Chat. Finally, ChatGPT can help you optimize your video for search engine optimization, SEO. By analyzing keywords and trends in your niche, ChatGPT can suggest tags, titles, and descriptions that will help your video rank higher in search results. This can lead to more views, more engagement, and more subscribers. Conclusion. So there you have it, some great tips and tricks for making YouTube videos with ChatGPT. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, incorporating ChatGPT into your workflow can help you save time, improve your content, and grow your channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.